Good morning, children, and once more, welcome to your English class. Children, if you remember that before starting of your second pre-board examination, we were studying one chapter from your English book, and that chapter was the chapter Enemy. And already a major part of this chapter I have told you. So, in my video, The Enemy Part 4, I was telling you that ultimately Dr. Sadao, he decided to get rid of this man, and for this purpose he went to the general of the army. The general of the army, he gave his assurance that he will do something to bring Sadao out of this problem, and he promised that he will send some goons to kill this injured man or the prisoner of war, and they will shift the body also from the house of Dr. Sadao, and there will be no problem after that for Dr. Sadao. So this assurance, this promise was made by the general. And as I told you in my previous video, part 4, that Dr. Sadao waited for 3-4 nights, but nothing happened. The injured man, the prisoner of war, the American prisoner of war, was still in the house of Dr. Sadao. So when Dr. Sadao saw that the general also forgot his promise, then he decided himself to get rid of this man. And one day he made up his mind and he did all the arrangement. First of all, he arranged one small boat. Beside that, he collected eatables, drinking water, and lodging, fooding, everything he collected. And he told the young man about his plan. He told him that every night there is one island in the sea, and every night there is one Korean ship coming to that island, and he told about his intention, that why he had arranged the boat. He told him that during the darkness of the night, this American war of prisoners can use this boat to reach that island. And he told him that rest of all the arrangements I have made, and in the darkness of the night he made the prisoner of war to sit in that boat. And beside all the arrangements, Sadao gave him one torch also, and that torch was given for a special purpose, because that island where this man was supposed to go, from where he was supposed to board the Korean ship, that place was at some distance from the house of Dr. Sadao. So he gave him the torch so that the American prisoner of war could use this torch as a signal. Dr. Sadao told him if he was still there on the island, if he was not able to catch the Korean ship, then in evening he was supposed to give a flash from that torch, so that Dr. Sadao could understand that the man was still there on the island. So this arrangement was done, and finally this man was sent off from the house of Dr. Sadao to that unknown island. Dr. Sadao, he was waiting for the signal from the island, but that night there was no signal from the island, and it was a good news for Dr. Sadao. There was no signal from the island. It meant for Dr. Sadao that the man was not there on the island, and he was lucky, he was fortunate to get the Korean ship. And Dr. Sadao felt that this was a kind of reward for him, for his honest job, for his honest work, for his patience. Thank you.